Got an old Ford truck with a trailer hitch. I like to drink a beer for the throw the first pitch. This here is my American bliss. And I say, oh no, I don't need no more. Here's the way I see it, baby, I believe we're living the American dream.
The new line of Branson light-duty tractors have arrived. To find the dealer near you, go to bransontractors.com.